Lahaina, how you doing down there in Maui? Stay strong. I know everybody's just focused on Gaza, but just know I'm still here. Let's keep the Aloha spirit strong. Lahaina, Hawaii, just remember, you gotta rise up and shine, even when everybody forgets. Stay strong. Sing a song. And it's not ukulele, people, it's ukulele. Say it well. Ukulele or uk, not ukulele. Like, who the heck called it ukulele? That's not even how you read it or pronounce it. Like, forget this. That's why you got. Destroy all the people who call it ukulele. And there we go. Okay, let's sing Aloha Oi. Aloha Oi. Aloha Oi. I don't know the lyrics fully in Hawaiian, but let's sing Easy, starting all over again. Starting all over again. Lahaina and Hawaii and Polynesia and Pacifica. Starting all over. I'm getting distracted. Wait. Starting all over again. Until Mark Zuckerberg, get off of my lawn. Tell him, get off of this island. Okay, let me go back to trying to sing peacefully and about unity. Okay. Starting all over again. It's gonna be tough. Oh no. We're gonna make it. Yeah.